let's introduce a function to which we will pass an array so that we can learn how you can pass an array, and that function will display all the values. So outside of the main, make sure that you are creating a function outside of the main, because some of you made that mistake earlier today of creating a function within another function. So you have to make sure whenever you create a new function, it must be outside the other function. Public static void display, and this will take one parameter of type array. That's what I'm using, square brackets, double quotes, and we're going to call this prices. The names don't have to be same, but I'm doing it so that I don't have to make a lot of changes. Okay. Next, what you should do is just grab this entire code you have, line 17 through 23. You can cut it and paste it in the body of this method. Okay. Now it will going to complain about total, right? Don't worry about it. We will pass those parameters. So we're going to add one more parameter here, double. Or I can, hold on a second. Oh yeah, double total. We're going to pass that as a parameter. So now we're going to make a call to display, and we're going to be passing to display the prices array and the total. And when you run this program, you get the exact same output as before. And you wouldn't even notice the difference that your code has now been modularized. So all we did was we moved the instructions in a method, and just like we passed parameters, we're now passing one of the parameters as an array. And that's all we did.